Hello my Frugal Divas, it's Lisa Marie here. It is January 2nd, 2018. Happy New Year to everyone. I went to Dollar General today. I did a few 3 off 15 survey coupons that you can get on your receipts. All you have to do is buy something and then there'll be a survey code. You go to this website, DG Customer First, fill it out, and you can get a coupon for $3 off your next visit emailed to you. So first, before I went to Dollar General, I went to CVS to get my free toothpaste for the week. There is a $3.99 digital coupon that you can clip to your account, and this is on sale for $3.99, making it completely free. The Crest 3D White is on sale for $2.99. There was a $2 digital coupon, plus I had a $1 CRT when I spent $6 in toothpaste. So these came out to be completely free. Here's my receipt. I just paid sales tax, 36 cents. So over to Dollar General, they have a $4 off digital coupon for off the 60 count Centrum vitamins, and also coupons.com has a $4 off coupon. So I printed 2 of those. They are $5 a piece. Makes $15. I used my survey coupon, and I had 3 of the 4 off coupons. So my total should have been completely free. However, I'm not sure what happened, but my subtotal came to a penny. But I saved $14.99, which is awesome for 3 packs of vitamins. So that was one transaction. Then I did another transaction because I needed dog food, and I got the Beneful grain free. It is $5.75. There is a $3 internet printable, and I did the L'Oreal deal. When you spend $8, you save $3 instantly. They're $4 each. I didn't have the 2 off 1, but there is a digital coupon for $3 off 2. So I used that, and this was another account I used, so I used the $4 off Centrum digital for this guy. So for this transaction right here, my subtotal was $2.97 with a savings of $15.98. However, it gets better because Savingstar has a rebate offer of $4 back when you buy Centrum. So I submitted for that. So actually this turned out to be a money maker right here of $1.03. So not bad. This is money maker, and all this was free. So I said I'm gonna splurge a little bit and try to find some of the Febreze that is 50% off, the holiday scents. And I went to another Dollar General and another Dollar General, and they did not have them. So I settled for the Glade candles, the Christmas scents. They are 50% off as well. And I still had a 2 off when I bought 3 Glade, and then I had a $1 off digital when I bought 2 Glade. So I went and bought all these candles, and I had a $4 off digital when I bought the Big Soleil razors, okay, and they were $6. So my subtotal for this transaction was $6, okay, plus tax, which isn't too bad considering there's 8 candles here and a whole pack of razors. Plus, I did make a little bit of money over here. So all in all, for all this stuff, you guys, my subtotal only came to $4.98 for all this stuff right here, which is pretty amazing. So I hope you can get some of these deals. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.